dash and mind your business. Yes. Exactly. Drink water.
Westside chilling with the guys, make a killing. I put mine on a relationship with hers on my feelings.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you are welcome. I'm going to give you some time to watch half of my video and then you can consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking once again. I love you and I appreciate you. So like you have seen in the title, today we're going to be doing part 2 of my skincare secrets. So I'll be giving 5 tips plus the bonus 6 tips. So you have to wait to the end to hear the bonus tip. So let's get into my list. Is stop using dirty pillowcases. You need to change your pillowcases. Like, I don't understand. How can you use one pillowcase for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, and you're complaining that your skin is looking somehow? You're having acne. You're not feeling, your skin is not glowing. It won't glow, sis, bro. It won't glow. Pillowcases house a lot of dirt from your skin, from your hair, dust, oil, different things that can clog your pores and cause acne. So it's advisable you change your pillowcases like every 2 to 3 days just to make sure that you're not transferring dirt to your skin. So change your pillowcases, girls and boys. Second point on my list is something we hear very often. Dash and mind your business. Yes. Exactly. Drink water.
Okay.
So drinking water is actually really good for your skin. I know we hear it a lot. Oh, drink water. Water hydrates your skin, hydrates your body from within. So drinking water improves the elasticity of your skin, rids the body of toxins, improves circulation, makes your skin look plump and vibrant, gives you that glow. Of course, you have to like physically use water to cleanse your skin and everything. But drinking water is really good for the overall health of your body and your skin. So girl, stop staying away from that water. Drink it, okay? And we're supposed to take, apparently we're supposed to take about 2.25 liters of water every day, and like, which is 6 to 8 glasses of water. I don't know how they measure the glasses of water, so you can just use liters to know how much water you're taking every day. And you'll be glad you did, because water is really good for your skin. So the next point on my list is stop using dirty towels on your skin. Please stop it. How can you use the same towel you used to clean your body for your face first week, second week, third week, and I'm like, oh, it's true, let me wash this towel? You don't need to wash it. You need to even separate it. Stop using the same towel for your skin, for your face and for your body. You should have a separate towel for your face that you wash every day and put out to dry. So every day, I didn't say every week, wash every day and put out to dry, because towels can really just attract, they can just store a lot of dust and dirt and germs that you don't want to be transferring to your skin. So just be careful with towels. I don't personally use towels on my face. I just air dry my face. Like, people say it wastes time. It doesn't waste my time. Like, I just air dry my face and then moisturize and I'm done. And that works for me because I'm sure that I'm not transferring any dirt from anything to my face. I'm just using only my body towel for my body. So decide what works for you. Just in case you see me wearing this blouse in another video and you're wondering like, how is she, why, what's going on? It's because I filmed 2 videos today. I'm trying my best here to be consistent, so I appreciate your girl. So that's why I'm wearing the same. I'm just trying to explain like why. I don't know why I'm explaining, because like, but that's why. Okay, that's why. So back to the video. Next point on my list is sunscreen. Yes, girl, sunscreen. Because you can't be going out under the sun with your bare face like that without sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from the effects of the sun. And if you're getting a sunscreen, you need to get a sunscreen that has protection from both UVA and UVB rays, like ultraviolet rays B and A, because both of them have different effects they have on your skin. I know you're wondering like, what is sunscreen going to do for me? How is that going to help the health of my skin or help me be great in life? Sunscreen is actually going to reduce the hyperpigmentation on your skin. So if you have like dark spots on your skin from acne, you might want to use sunscreen to reduce it, to prevent it from getting worse. So yeah, and sunscreen also reduces the effects of aging, because the sun actually has UV rays that can make you age faster and have wrinkles and other things. So sunscreen is your best friend, really. The next point on my list is your hair products. Yes, your hair products can be hindering your skin's health. How could your hair products be hindering your skin's health? Your hair products could actually be clogging the pores in your skin if they're like coming towards your face. So sometimes use a gel or a styling cream or something that has a lot of oils, and you find that after a while you have like small pimples on your forehead area or around your neck, in weird places. You're like, how did this come here? Like, what is this doing here? Sometimes it could be because of a hair product. So you want to make sure that you're not leaving hair products come down to your face for long. You're washing your face regularly, maybe using a wipe or something, or you use an oil. Or you can just use oils that do not clog your pores. Oils that don't clog your pores are called non-comedogenic, non-comedogenic.
One eternity later.
Yeah, non-comedogenic oils. You can use that too. You can use those kind of oils in your hair, and they won't clog your pores. But just watch out on that. If you see that if you notice that you use a product and after a while you're having acne around your forehead, that you don't usually have like little like small dots of acne, you might just want to check your hair products out for that. Yes. Next, now we have come to the bonus point. The bonus point on my list, the bonus tip. I'm going to be reading straight from the site so that we can see why I highly stand for this. The bonus tip on my list is actually drink green tea. Yes, green tea. It's actually green tea that I see. It's not water. It's green tea. It is green tea. I just removed the tea bag. You can't see it, but it's green tea. So, what does green tea do to my skin? What does green tea do to your body? How does green tea help your skin's health? Hold on, I got you. Hold on, let me show you. Let me enlighten you. Let me shed some light. Okay, so first thing, green tea contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals. Antioxidants are molecules that have the ability to fight free radicals in the body. Exactly. What are free radicals? Free radicals are compounds that can harm your body, your health, and your skin if their levels get too high. So that's one. According to 2010 study, the antioxidant power of EGCG can help repair DNA damage caused by ultraviolet rays from the sun. This in turn can help protect you from non-melanoma skin cancer. 1. 2. Green tea fights premature aging. A study showed that the antioxidant in EGCG, which is abundant in green tea, has the ability to rejuvenate dying skin cells. Can we just take that again? Rejuvenate what? Dying skin cells. By protecting and repairing your cells, the antioxidant can combat signs of aging and make your dull skin look healthier. Your dull skin look what? Healthier. That's what. Vitamins in green tea, especially vitamin B2, can also help your skin look more youthful. So green tea contains vitamin B2. Third on my list, green tea reduces inflammation and redness. Green tea also has inflammatory properties. This is due to its high content in polyphenols. So yeah. Green tea treats acne. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antimicrobial properties in green tea may make it an effective treatment for acne and oily skin. Did you hear that? The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties in green tea may make it an effective treatment in acne and oily skin. According to research, the polyphenols in green tea, when applied to the skin, help reduce sebum secretion, which can lead to acne. So there are some green tea masks that when you use them, like when applied to skin, can help reduce sebum secretion. So yeah. Green tea also contains several vitamins, including vitamin E, which is known for its ability to nourish and hydrate the skin. Drop mic. What? Green tea, all these things nourish and hydrate the skin. make you look younger, treat acne, like what else, anti-inflammation, fight premature aging. So yeah, I take green tea. I'm not say a lot, but I take green tea when I can, when I remember, exactly when I remember. And when I take green tea often, it actually helps my skin. I noticed that I was like, wait, there has to be something about this green tea, because it's not adding up. Why do I feel better? Why does my skin look better when I take it? And I researched and found out that this is why. So if you haven't watched the first part of this series, make sure you click on it once you're done with this video and watch the first 5 points I gave in the first video, so that you can have healthy, glowing, clear skin. You know, and if you do most of these things, or you have tried like some things, generally being healthier with generally changing your lifestyle, and you still have acne, then you might want to check your skincare routine. There's like the steps you follow, the products you're using, all those things, which I will not be talking about right now, because I want to be well grounded on that topic before I delve into it, so I don't misguide you guys. So yeah, this is what you have to do. Like these are the outside things you have to do to just keep your skin healthy and glowing. So thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibe, you know what we do. Like first, go and comment your thoughts. Oh, if you like the video, anything you have in mind, comment it down below. Subscribe, share the link, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your loved ones, tell everybody. You are going to spread the good news for me. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you next time.